Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to create your Slack account. First of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your browser and then go ahead to the URL section and search for Slack. Now here we go to slack.com and basically what I'm going to do is sign up with email or sign up with Google. So I will click on sign up with Google and click on my Google account. Now we have to create our workspace. So let's create our workplace. And basically now they will take us to this place. Let's wait until it loads. What's the name of your company or your team? So let's name it tutorial. Next. And then here, add teammates. If you want to add any teammates to your workplace, you can add them here using their email. So for now, let me just skip this step and let's skip it. You can add them later on. What's your team working on right now? You can add whatever you want, for example, budget. Next. And now you will see that the room has been added. So there is the channels, budget, general, random. Here you can add new channels. You can make even private channels. And for example, let's create a new channel and let's make it private. So create a new channel, make this channel private. Let's name it budget administration. Here we can add a description and click on create. Now here we can add an email to add only specific people to be able to add or create anything in this channel. So for example, we can add here to budget administrator or create a new channel. So let's add people to this administrator, continue, and there enter a name or email. So we can add a name or an email because if you have already some people in your workspace, you don't really have to write their email, you just have to write their name. So after that, they will be able to read here and they will be able to chat. So yeah guys, that's how you can set up your Slack account. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.